top news headlines. Minister T.H. Kumar clarifies India State Forest Report 2019. Kerala governor says Assembly's resolution against CAA has no legal or constitutional validity. And Taiwan's top military official missing after helicopter makes emergency landing. Hello and good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria giving you the news in details. Manipur Forest Minister T.H. Kumar clarified the India State Forest Report 2019 published by the Forest Survey of India. This report is based on 2016 to 2017 survey, which says that the state of Manipur lost 499 kilometers of its land area. He mentioned. Addressing media at his official residence at Kanglapat, the T.H. Kumar also said that cultivation of ganja and poppy plants is one of the main factors leading to massive deforestation. The minister maintained that there has not been changes in the forest area of Manipur. The losing of forest land area is due to multiple factors, he said. Kumar cited plantation of cannabis and poppy, renovation of Imphal Haflong Road. PMGSY works, railway road construction and others have huge impact on the forest area. The minister further added that practice of Zoom cultivation and illegal encroachment and settlement in the hill areas are also affecting the forest area. Kumar assured that he, along with officials of the Revenue Department and Forest Department, will look into the matter this month.
Published by the Forest Survey of India na Futhokpa report Manipur square kilometer 499 forest coverage si mangi report pi. Sigi report si 2016-17 da piba report ni koi sahi mainly ada survey toroga ada husi piba report na. Ada maruina Manipur da forest ki land coverage si mangbagi sauba maram jingdi. Diblaim wakta railway lambi sembakpa Imphal Hablong road lambi kalakpa adagi akoigi tongan ba PMGSY gi lambi myam singda akoigi kano si simakpa si asoba si maram amne ado sisu natana kangchok soga paksana manghali bisidi akoigi kaino ne singi lamda popi si paksana tharakpa koina control tawbusi ngamde state government na on minister so sagi home department gi police force tharan haidali yanthali adu ngasidi Manipur gi manung handan leiba especially koigi Chuchanpur adagi leiba koi Imphal Isung gi thangba koigi Kamjong gi site the Brahma border bausi koina pakchanna koigi heta mars ta jangan janthala kanda koigi manung da kopi tharamba si asoba si factor man.
Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan today said that the State Assembly's resolution against the Citizenship Amendment Act had no legal or constitutional validity as citizenship is exclusively a central subject. This actually means nothing, Khan said, 2 days after the Assembly asked the Centre to cancel the contentious legislation that has triggered countrywide protests. The resolution was supported by all the MLAs except BJP's O. Rajagopal. Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad too said Parliament alone has got powers to pass any law regarding citizenship and not a state legislature, including Kerala Assembly. Recalling that late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi had provided citizenship to minorities from Uganda and Sri Lankan Tamils, respectively. He wondered why was it okay if Congress did so and it is a problem when Prime Minister Narendra Modi or Home Minister Amit Shah did the same. Taiwan's top military official was among 3 people missing today after a helicopter made an emergency landing in a mountainous northern area near the capital Taipei, according to media reports. A statement from the Defense Ministry said that a team has been sent to rescue the 13 people aboard The Black Hawk helicopter, who included Taiwan's Chief of General Staff, Air Force General Sen Yiming, and several survivors had been found. The incident comes a week before Democratic Taiwan holds presidential and parliamentary elections on January 11. Several people, including firefighters, are trapped under the debris of a factory in West Delhi's Piragarhi after it caught fire, and the structure collapsed following an explosion, officials said. 35 fire engines are at the site. The firefighters were working to rescue people stuck in the burning building when the explosion happened and brought down the structure. As per media reports, the fire department received a call for help at 4:30 a.m., officials said, adding they initially sent 7 fire engines to the factory. Rescue operations are on. A 4th annual prize distribution of meritorious students and gold medalists of state and national championships from Ward No. 9 Kumbi Municipal Council was held yesterday at Kumbi. The event was organized by Citizen Welfare Association Kumbi. The function was attended by former Minister N. Mangi, former Vice Chairman of Kumbi Municipal Council and sponsor of the prizes. WC Vovichan Luang, members of Ward Development Committee, Ward No. 9, Samom Inangcha and K.H. Sandramani. Former Minister N. Mangi said that the Kumbi has successfully produced a number of good students and urged for continuation of the same.
방금까지 해도 호랑이들이 와서는 거는 이름도 군비기 아무리 와가 지금 ချက် ሄነ ቱንጊ ፑንሲ도 포르코 웨비우 하이바 와칼론 시 탐저벌로이나 레비르게 버프딩바 프레데네 토닉 메디아리 실리노싱 하나님 풍민다 하우비바 자히다 아이 와칼라 미기 와칼은 누가이다가 누시다가 레이버 पु나 막도 누시 자는 거 포르코 이셔노 와 아시다나타나 군비 공간 아시다 레비바 아와나 पु나 막세 이보다 당 아거기 찬동나 아와고 पुना 막고 포이셔노 런던 머시베 누시 자는 거 포르코 이셔노 라 인버 세이 2020 누가이 야이파가 아이코이 그디막 누시바 세이야도 이보다
A new office building of Bisnu Naha Youth Federation Yaripok was inaugurated yesterday by Wangkem constituency MLA K. Megachandra. The MLA also inaugurated a garden. Talking at the event, Megachandra said that the new office building will help the federation in performing activities more effectively. The building and the garden were completed with money from the MLA Local Area Development Fund. Repair work on a road connecting Wapokpi and Vino area of Bisnupur district will soon begin under the State Finance Commission 2019 to 2020. In this connection, a team led by Wangu Jila Parishad member M. Prosens paid a visit to the site yesterday. Considering the plight of local farmers, the concerned authority has taken up the initiative to repair the road, Prosens said. Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next. Free blankets distributed to elders of Kairak under Wawakai constituency.
Admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognized Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkayim Falgi Academic Session 2021 gi Mingchanabagi damak class 6 tagina 10 fawbagi form thaba hauzare afaba satra leizade afaba satra puthokjabani akopa marol gi damak Academy Office ta contact tobiyu.
Singzu Festival 2020 from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manung chanda
Thangta,
blood donation camp,
Mukna,
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singsu Festival 2020.
Singsu Festival 2020.
lamdam masida khundaminariba isna punamakna
Soidana saruk yaba lakpiyu. Wangjing Kodom Popi lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Dakshila Institute. Admission open. Courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. For the fourth time, the United Development Committee Wavagai Assembly constituency today distributed free blankets to elders of Kairak within Wavagai constituency. UDC WSC convener Mohammad Riazuddin Aribam also donated Rs 10,000 for the construction of a masjid hall at Kairak. Dharmanagar Police of Tripura arrested 3 National Liberation Front of Tripura insurgents on Tuesday night. 1 9mm pistol and 6 round cartridges were recovered from their possession. The arrested 3 extremists have been identified as Kanti Marak of Kedachandra, Kedachera Samparaide Burma of Manhwai, and Funny Joy Ring of Manipur. According to media reports, they boarded in the Silchar-Agartala passenger train. The police detained them from the railway station, but somehow one of them fled from the Panisagar rail station, but police nabbed him from the Dharmanagar rail station. Over 10,000 Tripura government teachers facing termination of jobs due to a court verdict would hold a sit-in demonstration in Delhi later this month aimed at creating alternative arrangements to protect their jobs. Media reports said that so far 43 teachers had died of psychological trauma and anxiety. Over 10,323 government teachers with graduate, postgraduate and undergraduate educational qualifications were inducted into Tripura government schools in different phases since 2010, when the Communist Party of India Marxist late left-front government was in power. The recruitment process subsequently went to litigation, and the Tripura High Court in 2014 terminated all the 10,323 teachers, saying that the selection criterion had discrepancies. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday expressed his deep sense of loss and anguish at the death of Nagaland Speaker Vikho O Yosu, who was battling cancer. Nagaland Assembly Speaker Vikho O Yosu died on Monday at a hospital in Mumbai after battling lung cancer for several months, family members said. He was 67, a media report said. The Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party NDPP leader was diagnosed with cancer earlier this year and was undergoing treatment in Mumbai since then. He is survived by his wife and 10 children. Assam Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal yesterday said that his government has urged the central government, which is in the process of framing the rules under the Citizenship Amendment Act, to incorporate his government's point of view so that the interests of indigenous people of the state are protected. Claiming to be a son of the soil who would never compromise with the interests of indigenous people at any cost, Sonowal reiterated that a wrong narrative on the Citizenship Amendment Act was being fed to the people by certain destructive elements, making Assam suffer violence and arson. Asking all the agitating groups AASU, AJYCP, Assam Sahitya Sabha and others to join hands for the all-round development of the state, Sonowal said that his government would safeguard Jati, Mati, Veti, community, lane and home of the indigenous people. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open for Grace Cottage Academy Kakching. CBSE da affiliate tauraba Grace Cottage Academy gi admission hauzare. February tang ahum dagi regular class hauzaragani amadi lakliba January gi tang ahum dagi class 9 gi foundation course amadi class 10 gi question nature nainagadauri masida mahirui singna saruk yanaba khanganjari. Nupa nupi gi tongan ba boarding su laizai loina na bus amadi winger service Kakching Funal Kairak Langmaidong Palel Sora Tekcham Tentha Wangzing su laizai. Hena akupa marol ki damak contact tobiu Grace Cottage Academy Kakching, contact number 9366424189.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singiba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani.
Amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudingmaki gari kaya su bandan lauzare. Christmas ki oiba kadamba offer su pizari.
Akupa marol gi damakta lengsinbirau Lamjingba Finance, Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa, hospital dagi yumda puthaba, hospital amadagi hospital amada puba, yum thang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba, loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhui gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Welcome back. The Defense Ministry has rejected the West Bengal government's proposed tableau for the upcoming Republic Day parade, a move that is likely to spark a fresh row between Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and the centre. The West Bengal government's proposal was rejected after an expert committee examined it in 2 rounds of meeting, a statement by the ministry read. Out of the total 22 proposals, 16 from the states and union territories and 6 from the central ministries have been shortlisted for the January 26 event in the national capital. Fighting for his future, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of Israel yesterday asked Parliament to grant him immunity from prosecution in 3 grave cases, a rare and contentious step that critics say violates the principle of equality before the law. The immunity request is the latest twist in the political and legal drama that has paralyzed the Israeli government. Long famed for his survival skills, Netanyahu is taking the risky move to feign off charges that imperil his legacy and could eventually land him in prison. But the effort also threatens to further polarize a divided nation and prolong the political deadlock that has left the country without a fully functioning government for nearly a year. If it is approved, immunity could keep him out of the court for as long as he remains a member of parliament. Now we have the sports news. Two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar has opted out of Friday's selection trials for next month's Asian Championships and the Continental Olympic qualifying event to be held in Mars. As per media reports, Sushil said he was yet to fully recover from a shoulder injury and submitted a medical certificate to the Wrestling Federation of India yesterday. The 36-year-old has requested that the trials for 74 kg category be postponed. Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar clarifies India State Forest Report 2019. Kerala Governor says Assembly's resolution against CAA has no legal or constitutional validity. And Taiwan's top military official missing after helicopter make emergency landing. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.